Hi everyone, here we've got Nokia 2.4 and let me share with you how to manage camera sounds, camera shutter sound on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app and let's check if we've got the shutter sound applied. I hope that you could hear it. If not, you have to trust me that our device just gave us the sound feedback, so it means that we've got this option turned on. So in order to turn it off, just tap on this 3-bars icon in the left upper corner in order to open the settings. And at the very first position, we've got shutter sound option, which is right now applied. So in order to turn it off, just tap on it. And since the switcher looks like it means that it was turned off. So let's go back to the camera and check. And again, you have to trust me, I cannot hear any sound feedback from this device, so it means that we successfully turned off the shutter sounds. So actually that's all. This is how to manage shutter sound in your Nokia 2.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.